Chapter 1, Nature and Significance of the Management. The first question is, what is a management? The management means directing and controlling a group of people or an organization to reach a goal. That is called management. An example of management is how a person handles their personal finances. That is an example of management. And the second definition of management is the process of working with a thought others to efficiency achieve an organization to achieve by the efficiency using limited resources in the changing environment. That is called management. The next question is nature of management. So what is the nature of management? Nature of management is a set of activity including planning and decision making, organizing, leading and controlling, directed as an organization resources, human, financial, physical and information with the aim of achieving organizational goals in effective manner. That is called nature of management. The nature of management points including that universal process, continuous process, intangible, social process, art as well as science, goal oriented, group activity, being creative. The next question is, what is the importance of management? So importance of management is help in achieving group goals by providing a common direction to individual efforts, increases efficiency. Management aims at reducing a cost and increasing the productivity by better planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Management creates a dynamic organization. So that is called importance of management. The basic points of importance of management included is help in setting objective, optimum utilization of resources, scientific decisions, change in technology, effective administration, social obligation, research and development. The next question is, what is a management science? Management science is study of problem solving, decision making in human organization with strong links to management, economics, business, engineering, management consulting and other fields. Management science it helps to be business to achieve a goals using various and scientific method. That is called management science. The next question is, management is an art. Management can be considered as both science as well as an art. It is called art because of managing requires certain skills which are the personal profession of managers. Science provides the knowledge and art deals with the application of the knowledge and skill. So that's why management as an art. The next question is, management as a profession. So what is the management as a profession? So management as a result of this development, a management has reached a stage where everything is to be managed professionally. A management profession may be defined as an occupation that requires specialized knowledge and incentive academic preparation to which entry is regulated by representative body. So that is called management as profession. The next question is, what is the different types of managers? So there are three different types of managers: top level managers, middle level managers and first line managers. The example of top level managers of the board of directors, president, vice president and CEO. They all are example of top level managers. The example of middle level managers. So the general managers, branch managers and department managers, they all are example of middle level managers. The example of first line managers. So the supervisors, section leads and foremen are example of first line managers. So there are the three types of different managers. The next question is the difference between three types of management: the top level management, middle level management and operational management. The top level management roles and responsibilities. The top manager should focus on long-term profitability and creating value, while middle managers should focus on operational excellence. Lower level managers should focus on daily innovation to improve a performance in the part of the organization for which they are responsible. So there are levels of management. The next question is, what is the classification functions of management? So there are 5 different classification functions of management, but the top 8 functions of management should be planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivating, controlling, coordination, and communication. So there are a top 8 classification of management. The next question is, what is the financial management? But before I start, what is the finance? Finance is the management of money, particularly in relations to company, organization, or governments. Especially, it deals with the questions of how to individual company or government acquires the money needed, called it the capital in the company context, and how they spend to invest that money. That is called finance. And what is the financial management? The financial management focus on the ratios, equation, and debt. It is the usual for portfolio management, disturbance of the dividend capital rising, heeding, and looking after the fluctuation in the foreign currency and product cycle. That is called financial management. The next is the following functions are included in financial management. They are the 10 functions following for financial management. The first one is estimated the financial need. Second is to make the financial plans for the points of view of the duration. Third one is the prepared budget. Fourth one is the allocated funds. Fifth is the to decided the capital structure and the select the sources of equations of the capital. Sixth is the to carry out the procedure for acquiring the finance. 7 is the to see is the acquiring funds are properly utilized and to keep control over financial activities. 8 one is the to form financial policy. 9 is to plan for taxes, and 10 is to make arrangement of assets. So there are the following functions are including in financial management.